Hi everyone, I'm Johnson P. Alegada. I will be the one to continue the report for part 2. Number 6. Uniform Production Planning. So the lean production system is advantageous to be used during the time that production conditions are stable. High fluctuation in demand need either higher inventory or ability to change the production capacity and schedule quickly. In manufacturing operations, so the standard of components across multiple products, known as commonality or modularity, increases repeatability. So part commonality permits a company to make immediate change from production of one product to another production of another product. Therefore, modularity lessens lead time and inventory requirements under the lean production system. Standardization of work function is also possible. Standardization of both components and work function increases the productivity. Owing to increased repetition, workers are able to work efficiently. Number 7. Continuous improvement or Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement. Under the lean production system, it is the best produce goods and services that will delight customers. Hence, the main concept is to create quality into the production process instead of inspect finished good for quality defects. In order to achieve this concept, the practice of quality at the source in being practiced. Quality as a source means that every employee should act as his own quality inspector. So this will be prevent the defect unit from abandoning a work station and moving to the subsequent process. Number 8. Close supplier relationship. So lean system function with the low levels of their suppliers. This relationship will guarantee uninterrupted supply of raw capacity, stock, and inventory. Companies must create close relationship with the materials and component parts. Firms need to regard suppliers as partner and eco-value creators in the supply chain. In addition, suppliers must be near to production facility, avoid waste in transportation, and to deliver raw materials and component frequent intervals. Number 9. Multifunctional workforce. So, under the lean production system, the workers are trained to perform several tasks at the same time. This worker can be flexible that he can be shipped among workstation when they need them, especially when some employees are on vacation or sick. Training is not only for flexibility but also making certain the quality of workers all tasks. Workers of lean producers need a higher level of training due to the higher level of skill required of them. Workers enjoy this type of environment because it adds more diversity in their job. Number 10. The 5S. A messy and disorganized workplace produces inefficient workers. It takes a lot of wasted time looking for tools and equipment, moving around the scattered things under the lean production system. The 5S principle is utilized to produce a more organized workplace. So, these are the 5S consists of SIRI or short, Seaton or Steaton, Seiso or shine, Sekitsu or standardized, and the last is Shitsuki or sustain. So this is the 5S. Number 1 is short, straighten, shine, standardized, and sustain. So short is separate needed from a needed item and discard unneeded. Number 2, straighten, neatly arrange what is left with the place of everything and everything in its place. Organize the workplace so that it's easy to find what is needed. Number 3, clean and wash the workplace and make it shine. Number 4, standardize. Establish schedule and method for performing cleaning and sorting. Formalize the cleanliness that result from regularly carrying out the first 3S practices so that perpetual cleanliness and state of readiness are maintained. Sustain creative discipline to perform the first 4S practices so that everyone understands obeys and practices the rules with a planned employment mechanism to sustain the gains by involving people and realizing them via performance measurement system. So we're now in number 11, visual controls. Visual controls are done in indicators that were situated in plain sight of all employees in order to quickly and easily comprehend the condition and performance of work system. Ardon is a Japanese practice of placing cords that operators can pull a signal supervisors and other workers that have problem happen. Number 12, preventive maintenance. Under the lean production system, there is little slack or buffer inventory between workstation and any unplanned downtime could pose distraction. It is requirement under the lean system that all equipment and processes operate unfailingly. Planned downtime and scheduled maintenance are better than unplanned downtime. Preventive maintenance can lessen the occurrence and length of machine downtime. Maintenance is usually done in scheduled time that makes balance and cost of preventive maintenance. And the risk and cost of machine failure. Another technique is to let the workers do the routine maintenance of their own equipment of machine and keep them good condition to generate the pride and them. So next is value stream mapping and process symbols. So value stream mapping process symbols. So customer supplier. This icon represents outside resources. It is represent the supplier when placed in the upper left and the customer when placed in upper right. So you can see on the top there's a picture. So mauna ang example sa iyang pictures. So lain na punta. Process. So this icon is process box with operator. The process of or activity name is list in the top of the bar, and the department function name in the center area. It may represent in a process, operation, department, or other activity involved in a material flow. So mauna ang picture sa process. Sunod kay production control. So, it is a process block and an area where a value can be added to a product. The process or activity listed in the top bar. And the department of function name in a center area. It is shared process operation or department. And it includes estimate for a number of operator required for a value system. So, parehara siya sa kung ano sa process, pero wala siya di ba makabantay mo sa process kay naay ka ng something sa ubos sa sud sa box sa ubos na siya murag kanang suwat siya, pero ang production control is wala. So, mauna ang image niya, like symbols. This process block with information technology. Process or activity, name in the top bar, department or function name. in a center area. Note the information, technology used to assist and the processing of information. So, tig-assist din siya. And in a lower left corner, it's if largely are commonly manual or may indicate manual or manual plus information technology used. The last is data table. So as you can see the image of our PowerPoint, it is placed under the other icons that have information required to analyzing the system. It is typically includes cycle time, process time, lead time. So change over the time and other processing information. So mga tanan mga information dito na siya sa data table. So nanata sa value stream mapping, information symbols. Number 1, production Kanban. So it is visual signal present in a trigger production of specific number of parts. So mo din na sa kuan image mo na iyang symbols. Next is batch Kanban. So this indicates batch processing. So kung ano sabtaran nimo ang iyang symbols kay nag-process jud siya. Like mo na like naghan og kuan mo na iyang symbols. Next is batch withdrawal Kanban. So naka tanaw mo sa kuan no sa kinahanglan ani like tong batch Kanban is kabantay mo wala siya kanang murag pinaside sa kuan sa iyang symbols. So this is card or device that instruct a handler or operator to withdraw items via batch processing from supermarket. Next is withdrawal Kanban. This is card or device that instruct a handler or operator to withdraw items from supermarket. So, di ba nakakita mo sa, di ba duha to kakuan ang batch Kanban o batch withdrawal Kanban. So, karon ang iyang image is isa na la kanang di na daghan siya ba, like isa ra ka buok siya na kuan with side. So kay gikuan na pan kay gi-instruct naman ang handler or operator to withdraw items from supermarket. So mao na ni. So next is database. So in the picture maklaro naman, di ba? Kay database. So na dito tanan ng mga information sa imong mga kuan mga supplier inga na bitaw like diba they organize collecting instruction information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. So na dito tanan naka controlled by database management system. So the last is information packs. Text box for including relevant information only as they need it. Thank you.